So, as I told you guys, there's no filter on what these people purchase in this house. So I'm getting ready to show you in a minute. This is that's 2 cups of sugar. I hope that's all. Okay, so that's 2 cups of sugar. No,
Because they wasn't they wasn't that full, so they wasn't full cups. So they were full.
That's too much.
No, wrong.
Okay, so
Just
that's
right.
2 and a smidgen of sugar.
No, that's 2 because it wasn't full.
Oh, okay. So that's 2 cups of sugar. Now, turn the light up. Why you turn the light off? There you go. So, like I told you guys, over here it doesn't matter if you're trying to lose weight, gain weight, diet, cut down on something. There's no filter on these people. They bring in anything to this house. So let me show you what they brought in. Bring all your whole inventory over. Let everybody see your whole inventory. Yes, they brought a 5 pound. Is this 5 pound? 4. Oh, they don't even make. Okay, this is 4 pounds of sugar. And look at here, look at here. Have anybody seen these in ages? Well, I haven't. Let me just say that. So, looks like we're making the grape. I thought you would put. Wait, I thought you would put your sugar. I thought you would. Oh, okay. So, okay, because I want to show you how he's making the Koolaid. That's. You see, this is hot.
Yeah, it's
water.
I'm
not talking to you. Talking to the. Oh, I thought you was
looking for.
I thought you needed your hot pad, whatever you call it. Okay. So this is hot water, you guys. And he's doing that to just dissolve the sugar. I thought he was gonna do the sugar first and then add his liquid over into it. So this is grape Koolaid, guys. Grape Koolaid. This was the other day. So they brought in grape Koolaid, black cherry, pink lemonade, orange, tropical punch, and blue raspberry lemonade. That's what I would have liked to have. Either the blue raspberry or grape lemonade. Something like that. So I'm sure most of us have had some kind of Weiler's. It was a Weiler kind too. Oh, you're making grape lemonade.
Yeah, grape lemonade's good.
Oh, grape lemonade, guys. So I just had a cup of coffee with hot chocolate in it or whatever. Looks like I might I don't know, am I gonna sleep? Oh, that's gonna be too much. I'm just gonna add ice too.
Yeah, to cool it off.
Yeah, the shots cool chip ice. So this is what I'm saying. This is what we do around here. So I was gonna ask, I remember there used to be like a Weiler's, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know if they still make that. Okay.
I don't think they still make it.
So,
or at least I ain't seen them.
Yeah, so tell me what your favorite Kool-Aid flavor is. I think grape might have been one. I don't know. Do they make strawberry?
I was looking for it. All I found was cherry. But I could swear it was strawberry or something.
Maybe
it wasn't strawberry. Maybe it was cherry the whole time. So now that I've dissolved this pretty well, I'm making sure the corners and on the edges. Yeah, I got that pretty good. I had to put the ice in it. Actually, take it from a cup. Put the ice in the cup.
Oh, really?
And put it off to that. I don't want none of this splashing nowhere. So, wait.
So we're getting ready to have some Kool-Aid around here, things. Something I've not had in ages, but I'm not bougie. I can drink Kool-Aid. I can drink Kool-Aid. Are you a Tang fan? Let me know you drink Tang. What else comes in those little, the lemonade, what was the name of that? Lemonade, Country Time. Country Time lemonade and pink lemonade, and it seemed like they made something else. It seemed like they would do apple cider in that, what's the name too? Apple cider is a nice, the apple cider is a nice flavor too. Those apple cider packages.
Pretty good. So let me put a little more.
Yeah, because it's so hot. It's still on, ain't it? Oh, did you turn it
I
off?
switched it back.
Oh. I just finished eating my banana bread out of here, and I had some coffee. And it looks like they're getting ready to force me to eat Kool-Aid now. Ooh, like that. I like the sound of that. Crushed ice. Yeah, one more. And then some water. Actually, you should taste it though.
I use 2 flavors, so if anything, if I end up needing anything more, it would be sugar, but because I use 2, but you know these things strong enough for 2 quarts, 2 quarts of water. Remember?
Uh-oh, what do I do? Okay,
Uh-oh.
let me see.
What you do?
Nothing, I was trying to, I will. This is how we make Kool-Aid, dissolving it with hot water, dissolving the sugar. Well, I guess the sugar and the Kool-Aid crystals.
Yes. Nope. That might not work.
Really?
It's too long.
Oh, but you bend it in, tilt it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Should I?
Tilt me. Yeah, I was so surprised. Like, was it a week ago? Over a week ago, this came in the house. Smidge and spoon, 4 pound. Let me move this out of the way. 4 pound sugar with this, but I shouldn't be surprised. But sometimes I am, because they just bring anything into the house. I'm telling you, all sorts. Trying to look at the.
The measurement of the picture. It doesn't say.
Yeah.
I'm hoping it's
gallon.
like 2 quarts. Oh, this is a gallon?
No, it's probably not a gallon. No.
Let's see. Put a little bit more water.
Couple of liters. Hope you guys are doing good out here.
Good in these streets.
In
These YouTube streets.
In these YouTube internet streets. That's what I call them, internet streets.
I better try a little bit before I put more water.
Yeah, let's see what it's like.
It's gonna be miraculous. Just you wait to see. Try small.
Okay, guys, here's the.
Too sweet. So more water is definitely important.
Okay, so just fill it up.
It's wildcat sweet.
Wildcat sweet. What a term, right, guys? Wildcat sweet. Don't forget where you heard it first.
This better be enough. This better be enough water.
Stir it. You got to stir it.
Stir it.
Oh, yeah. That's just going to sit there.
Because everything is already dissolved.
Yeah, but you got to stir. You just put water in it. You want to stir that together with that.
Oh, it does it automatically.
Well,
Mixed with
it's
other liquid, huh?
in your automated, in this automated world, it isn't.
So water segregates itself.
Mm-hmm.
You don't segregate itself in oil and other things.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it is well integrated now.
Yep, it's integrated, incorporated.
Let's see what happens now. Whoa. And all the kids were happy. Kids were so happy.
How is it? Perfect.
It might be too sweet for certain people, but not for me.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, you saw it here.
Add more water to it when I heard it.
You saw it here first on this channel. This is the first time we're making Kool-Aid on this channel. So, and I don't know, do you make your Kool-Aid like this? Do you start it off with hot water in order to dissolve to properly, or to make sure that the sugar is properly melted or dissolved? Let me know your thoughts, and let me know if what's your favorite flavor. And do you use Kool-Aid, or do you use Weiler's, or what is your favorite colorful unsweetened drink for your family? So this is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction. I'm not going to say signing out for now because there's no telling what might happen, but I'm going to put this on pause and let's see what happens. So like I said, I didn't want to cut. So could you give us a thumbs up on how do you like the Kool-Aid?
Yeah.
I thought you just gave it a thumbs up. Thumb it up.
Here's a thumbs up.
I can't see it.
Oh.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, so now it's my turn to take a drink of the Kool-Aid, the grape lemonade Kool-Aid.
Great pink lemonade.
Okay. Yeah, it's Wildcat sweet. It is sweet. So this is some more of the stuff that comes in the house, though. You see this big old tub of cheese popcorn, cheddar cheese popcorn. This is what comes in. Not a small container, but a humongous container of it. So tempting, so buttery, cheddary, and delicious. But this is my life. What can I say? The domestic handmaiden of distinction. Lifestyle. Signing out for now. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and answer some of the questions that I had in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye for now.